Welcome to Infinity Tech. Inside one of China's largest pencil factories, millions of pencils are made with incredible precision. Let's begin the...
Every pencil begins its journey long before it reaches a student's hand.
Copy that. Send them to Yard 2. Diameter is optimal.
Moisture content checks out.
Send it through.
Precision begins with perfectly prepared wood, where every millimeter matters.
Watch for edge defects.
Pulling this one. Mixture consistency is optimal.
Perfect pencil performance begins with a flawlessly engineered graphite core. Thousands of graphite cores are aligned every minute with remarkable precision. Every pencil is carefully shaped and polished to deliver a comfortable grip and flawless finish. Temperatures are holding steady at the calibration point.
And the humidity delta is within tolerance.
Line 2 reports successful removal. Resetting batch count.
Multiple precision coatings transform raw cedar into the colorful pencils used around the world.
The temperature in Zone 3 is fluctuating slightly.
Gloss levels are holding steady at 95, well within tolerance. Automation combines every eraser and ferrule with remarkable speed and precision.
See the spike here during the torque test? That's exactly what we want. Agreed. The structural integrity is holding up.
Millions of pencils are now ready for packaging before beginning their journey to schools and offices around the world. Every package is carefully prepared to protect millions of pencils during global transportation.
Bay 3, you are clear to seal. Copy that, dispatch, we are rolling out. Next truck, pull forward to Bay 1.
Before reaching customers, every production batch must meet strict quality standards.
Only after passing every inspection are these pencils approved for classrooms and offices around the world.